welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we are unpacking something absolutely wild from Google Labs called Pomelli. We're going to do a deep dive into how this tool is completely revolutionizing marketing by essentially automating an entire creative team. I mean, we're talking about extracting your business's unique DNA, generating multi-channel campaigns, doing professional product photo shoots, and even building instant brand books. It's a lot, so let's get right into it.
So picture this. What if AI didn't just, guess your brand? Until now, using AI for design basically meant typing out endless prompts and just crossing your fingers that the result didn't look totally generic. You'd get these random templates and totally mismatched colors. But what if an AI acted like a senior creative director? Imagine if it learned your brand intimately, your specific fonts, your exact hex codes, your unique tone of voice, and actually used that knowledge to generate your content. Well, that is exactly the premise of Pomelli.
We've all seen this, right? For small businesses, current AI tools often result in what I call the Frankenstein effect. It's that painful reality where every single social post looks completely disjointed because you're patching together all these random generations. Pomelli aims to solve this blank canvas problem by promising true on-brand consistency. It ensures every single asset you generate shares the exact same unified visual identity.
Section 1. Extracting your business DNA.
So what's the secret sauce here? The core of this consistency lies in a concept they call business DNA. Rather than prompting an AI every single time you need a new image, Pomelli creates a permanent style guide. It's essentially a vector profile for your business. And how does it do this? Well, you literally just feed it a URL. If you point it to a brand's homepage, like H&M for example, the AI instantly scans the site. It automatically extracts the exact hex codes of their color palette, maps out the font hierarchy, analyzes the types of lifestyle imagery they use, and it even reads the copy to learn their specific tone of voice.
The really crucial point here is just how frictionless this onboarding is. You paste your URL, the AI extracts your brand identity to build that business DNA, and boom, you are instantly ready to generate unified assets. But what if you don't have a website yet? Well, Pomelli recently introduced the Pomelli Agent. You can just upload a few photos of your product, say some handcrafted jewelry, type a short text prompt describing your, regal, elegant tone, and the AI will actually build your business DNA entirely from scratch.
Section 2. Generating on-brand campaigns.
There's this quote from an early tester that I absolutely love, and it really hits the nail on the head for this paradigm shift. You don't ask for an image, you ask for a spring sale campaign. The workflow elegantly shifts from agonizing over designing single, isolated images to suddenly assembling entire, cohesive campaigns in a matter of seconds. Because the AI already knows all your brand's rules, you literally just tell it the goal.
Let's actually look at the outputs and see how this builds out across your channels. With one click, Pomelli generates the exact same campaign across all these different formats. You get square posts for your feed, vertical formats for your stories and reels, horizontal banners for ads, and perfectly sized email headers. And here's where the real magic happens. It uses natural language editing. So if you tell the AI to change the background to a sunset gradient, or if you tweak a single primary hex code right in your DNA, that change instantly ripples across all of these generated assets at once.
Section 3. Studio quality product photo shoots.
$500 to $5,000. Let that sink in for a second. That is the traditional cost of a single professional product photo shoot when you factor in renting the studio, hiring the photographer, the models, and then doing all the post-production. For a small e-commerce seller, that's often totally out of reach. But Pomelli has introduced a feature that replaces this entire process. And get this, currently, it's totally free. This feature is powered by a brand new Google model called Nano Banana 2. You can take a terrible, blurry smartphone snap of your product sitting against a messy desk, upload it, and Nano Banana 2 will turn it into a pristine 4K professional studio shot. It handles incredibly complex prompts, seamless background swaps, and maintains strict subject consistency. In fact, it can handle up to 5 characters and 14 objects in a single generation workflow, all while maintaining a 95% prompt accuracy. It's wild. And because they have a variety of professional templates available, you don't even have to be an expert in lighting or composition. You can choose Studio for those clean catalog shots, Floating for really dynamic social media ads, or Ingredient if you happen to sell skincare or food. You can even choose In Use, which is amazing. It actually places your product, like a handcrafted necklace, onto a photorealistic AI-generated model in a lifestyle setting, and they'll be wearing an outfit that perfectly matches your brand's color palette. It is just astonishing.
Section 4. Brand books and websites. Okay, so in just minutes, Pomelli will output a complete multi-page brand book as a highly shareable PDF. It automatically generates all of this: your logo clear space rules, your typography hierarchy, your exact color palette hex codes, your imagery guidelines, and a documented brand voice. So if you ever hire a freelancer or an agency, you don't need to spend weeks explaining your brand identity to them. You literally just hand them this auto-generated link and say, "Here, run with this."
But what if you were starting entirely from scratch?
Well, it goes one step further. You can launch a high-converting website in 60 seconds. Because Pomelli already has your business DNA, it can build a complete, ready-to-publish landing page featuring hero sections, product grids, text blocks, galleries, and it all perfectly matches the aesthetic, fonts, and colors of your brand. You just review it and then hit publish.
Section 5. The future of agencies.
When we compare Pomelli to existing tools out there like Canva or Jasper, its unique competitive advantage becomes instantly clear: automatic brand analysis. While the other guys require manual setup for your brand kit, Pomelli does it automatically, just from a URL. Add in the built-in Nano Banana 2 studio product photography and the fact that Pomelli is currently free in beta, well, you can see how this is a massive disruption to existing giants that still rely on manual user setup.
And here is the ultimate flex from Google, the closed-loop engine they've created. Once you've generated your on-brand multi-channel assets, you don't even need to download them. You can push these campaigns directly into Google Ads. The entire pipeline, from the initial brand identity creation to the product photoshoots to campaign creatives, all the way to paid distribution on YouTube and Google Search, lives entirely inside the Pomelli interface.
All right, before you drop everything and rush off to try it, let's cover the practical details. Currently, Pomelli is an early experiment in Google Labs. It is a public beta, and it is 100% free right now with no usage limits yet announced. However, it is geographically restricted for the time being. It's only available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and it currently only supports English prompts and outputs.
Which leaves us with this final truly provocative thought. Is this the end of the traditional creative agency? I mean, solopreneurs and small business owners now have the power of a designer, a copywriter, a studio photographer, and a web developer all sitting right at their fingertips, fully automated and deeply aligned with their specific brand DNA. It completely changes the economics of digital marketing. I highly encourage you to explore these capabilities and ask yourself how this level of automation is going to reshape your own industry.